Hey guys, hope you are doing very well today. Today is 13th of September, Monday, just starting the week, and we got some news that it seems to be a fake news that Litecoin and Walmart is doing a partnership and Walmart accepting Litecoin, but it's turned out that was a fake news. But we have other value-packed news, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin gems, NFT, and DeFi things to you every day. So I'm Miklos Denkler from CorionX, and let's get started. Let's share my chart, my favorite bubble chart with you, and see how the market is correcting today. So as you see, most of the altcoins are in red, but there was a nice weekend, so altcoins pumped really well during the weekend. Just Bitcoin and Ethereum and major alts are sideways, but now we see also Solana, Matic, ICP, Helium, Phantom, Avalanche rallied really well, but now almost all the major coins are correcting. Just Mina Protocol, DOT is plus ICX, Tezos, HBAR, and UC and Atom. So nice. And what about if we are looking back 1 week, that we see the pumping coins are layer one solutions. So all these coins that are pumping are layer one solutions. And we see that the money is flowing, is just going around from one layer one to another and then doing this pump. So as you see, Aaron did 50%, and also we had this crash on last Tuesday. So let's check our favorite bubble chart. After our favorite bubble chart, the crypto fear and greed index, and see what's happening. Now we are at 44. It's in the fear zone, but yesterday the index was at 32, so it almost an extreme fear that happened yesterday. So I think that the market sentiment is changing really fast. So and 1 week ago on Monday, the market was really greedy. So the index was at 79 and just came down as the market got really fearful. And also the market was fearful for almost 3 months. And some accumulation happened in this during this time. And after 2 weeks of greediness, the market fell back, and also the investor sentiment fall back. But you know that extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried, and that could be a good buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. I don't think that after 2 weeks greediness, the market was due for a correction, but this happened. And also, as this crypto market is really emotional, also we will see things happening in the future. Okay, so let's go. Our first news, that was the original news, that Walmart says intends to allow shoppers to make payments with Litecoin. Update, this might have been one of the all-time great cons. So that was the original news, and also Litecoin pumped up after this news. And also on Litecoin Twitter, that was shared. Walmart announces major partnership with Litecoin, and they deleted this news. So then this was really suspicious what's going on, and it turned out that was a fake news, or maybe somehow they released before and now they thought that this is not true. The company announced a partnership with Litecoin and said it intends to give shoppers the opportunity to make payments with crypto starting 1st of October. Litecoin is much higher on the headlines, so it pumped up, as you see, and also we will check it on the trading view. So that was the fake news, and let's see what else do we have. Here is that no, Walmart isn't partnering with Litecoin for payments, spokesperson says. So that was that the news is not valid, and that was fake, or this is not true, not true. So the press release on Walmart's incorporation partnership with cryptocurrency Litecoin was not authentic, a company spokesperson confirmed on Monday. An email to a contact person given in the statement remained undeliverable why the announcement was not found on Walmart's website. Litecoin didn't immediately respond to Reuters' request for comment. The purportedly fake statement said Walmart would allow its customers to make payments with Litecoin, and its online stores sent Litecoin price up as much as 170, yeah, no, so 27%. Okay, let's check what Litecoin is doing. So this is Chainlink, but let's go and check Litecoin. Here's Litecoin. Nice. So, wow, what a spike. What a spike. So let's see on the 15 minutes. So Litecoin just was around 170. And in this 15 minutes candle came up to 240 and spiked at 246 or 245, and then dropped back to that level it was before, maybe a little bit higher, but not too much. So this happened. So as you see, this market is really emotional. It's driven by news and sometimes fake news. And also this is how big whales and other players can manipulate the market because they have money to go and pay for a press release or an article, and that is why they can manipulate the market. So as you see, this happened, but definitely maybe it's something true behind this. Also, there was a similar news that PayPal will integrate Bitcoin and allow Bitcoin investment and crypto investment. And then they came out that, okay, this is not a valid news. But after a few weeks, they came out and they stated that, okay, we are doing this. So let's go back to our news and let's see what we do have here. Cardano launches smart contracts after successful hard fork. So Alonso hard fork to introduce Bluetooth-powered smart contract scripts. So the launch was successful. The price just decreased a little bit, but nothing special. Cardano has announced the completion of its Alonso hard fork, ushering in its long-awaited smart contract functionality. This is where the mission truly begins, as we, the whole community, start delivering on the vision we have all been working towards for so long, building a decentralized system that extends economic identity and opportunity to everyone, everywhere. There are high expectations resting on this upgrade, some unreasonable, so Cardano watchers may be expecting a sophisticated ecosystem of consumer-ready dApps available immediately after the upgrade. Expectation needs to be managed here. Okay. So yes, so just let's go and find out what kind of dApps we can use on Cardano, and let's do this. And yeah, so the Cardano price dropped 10% after. So that was a kind of sell the news or sell the event. But I think when we will get some news that, okay, hey, these decentralized exchanges can be used, this staking can be used, this and this lending platform is working, this dApp is working on Cardano, then I think we will get some nice price respond to that news. Also, that was the news that Binance throws its weight behind Cardano's Alonso hard fork. The world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, has announced that it will support Cardano's upcoming network upgrade. So that's huge. They will support, or they are supporting the upgrade, and that means for me that you will be able to withdraw Cardano on Cardano blockchain, and also the upgrade will be supported by Binance. I think that's huge because Binance is one of the biggest exchange, and also Binance has his own smart contract, the Binance Smart Chain. So somehow they are competing with Cardano, but they are also supporting their competitions, and we'll see if other exchanges will upgrade to the mainnet. Next piece of news is Indian government may define crypto as a commodity through new laws. New law. So you know that India was in the news in every month in the past 3-4 years. And there was a news that India will ban Bitcoin, India will not ban Bitcoin, India will ban Bitcoin, India will send citizens to prison if they are holding Bitcoin. So there was different news, a lot of different news. And now they are working on their national digital currency, the central bank digital currency, and also they are working on a cryptocurrency regulation and laws, and hopefully that will support that the Indian nation, more than 1 billion Indians will able to use crypto for good, and they will use the technology for good. Okay, what else do we have here? Indians most commonly invest in gold and investing in cryptocurrencies, as the investment process is way simpler compared to investing in gold. So Indian people really like those. So this is traditional how they are also buying physical gold, and they are putting their money, and they are giving to any anniversary some gold, and also they are putting money in Bitcoin. Using factors like peer-to-peer exchange trading volume and value received by retail investors, chain analysis said global crypto adoption rose some 881% in the past 12 months, with Vietnam leading, followed by India, Pakistan, and Ukraine. And also we will have nice news again from Ukraine. And also there was a nice news last week that the Ukraine will came out with crypto-friendly regulations. So definitely go and watch that news. This is this news that countries adopting. So countries adopting crypto and Ukraine. So watch this news. That was a news last year. And as we are here, definitely scroll down and you will find the link here. Because there will be this Teeka Tiwari event where he will speak about 5 cryptos that you can become a dollar millionaire, according to him. So you can sign up for Teeka Tiwari's catch-up coin Hyperboom event. So this is the event. Just sign up and then watch this. So this is not for free. The previous ones was not for free, and then you will able to find out which coins he recommending to invest in, and so definitely take with a piece of salt. But yeah, so it's worth to join this event. But you know, nothing on this in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for educational and entertainment purposes. So do your own research, and also just learn from others, and also follow the channel and learn as much information as you can about cryptocurrencies. So this is a good news from India, and we have some bad news, or not bad news because we don't care about this news, but the People Bank of China, the Chinese central bank, has completed its crackdown on cryptocurrencies. So they are saying that they completed their crackdown. According to its latest report, the central bank said it now regulates the sector routinely. Okay, so now regulates the sector routinely, and also they said that it has been cracking down on a number of sectors that had caused concerns, but it has now resolved most of the issues it was going after. And they cracked down on online asset management, equity crowdfunding, internet insurance, virtual currency trading, internet foreign exchange trading, and fields have basically completed the rectification work and have been transferred to normalized supervision. So this is what they are stating. It's really a bit weird, but this is how things are going. So China miners having to relocate to other countries such as Kazakhstan, Russia, and US. And actually, this was good for the entire Bitcoin and crypto industry. The central bank has also ramped up its effort against digital currencies. Earlier, it urged commercial banks and mobile and internet money processors such as Alipay to crack down harder on cryptocurrencies. It also emphasized over-the-counter platforms, claiming that they were allowing Chinese residents to circumvent local regulations. So this they are doing because they are already out with their national digital yuan, and they want people using their national digital yuan and not other cryptocurrencies. But nothing wrong with it. China is not on this side for now, but we'll see what will happen. So I think, but this is just my my thoughts, that I think that the governments and the Chinese political parties are accumulating Bitcoin. But this is just what I'm thinking, and just I'm just a messenger. So don't believe me anything. Do your own research and believe what is true for you. Okay, the next piece of news is the next El Salvador. Who will be the next El Salvador? These are the regions witnessing a gravitation towards Bitcoin, says Grayscale CEO. So Grayscale, the biggest Bitcoin and crypto investment firm, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust CEO Michael Sonnenschein is talking about, quote, when we think about where adoption rates are taking place, they are highest in the emerging markets in places like Africa, Southeast Asia, and some part of South America. Certainly, we are seeing a gravitation towards Bitcoin regardless of government action in some of these countries, because a lot of these citizens either don't have access to financial services, or perhaps their local currencies have been debased or have been eroded in some way because there hasn't been enough government control over the local currency. So the reason is that their economy is really bad, and then their local currency is just inflating and devaluating, and this is why citizens starting to embrace Bitcoin. Being a country like El Salvador and actually making Bitcoin a legal tender, I mean, that's an incredible milestone for this community. We have been long believed that the emerging markets would be an important place where we would see Bitcoin adoption, and I think we are going to see a knock-off effect of other cryptocurrencies also considering this. So guys, this is how crypto adoption happening. I will come with the news from Ukraine, but also Paraguay, Cuba, El Salvador, and many, many other countries will come. And also Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, stated last week that countries will embrace Bitcoin. Some countries will just make it legal tender. Some countries will put in their reserve currency, backing their reserve assets, and some countries just will introduce as payments, and also some economic things. Okay, our next piece of news is retail investors will drive a $1 million Bitcoin prize. The whole of Bitcoin is to love Bitcoin, and love being the primary experience which we were set upon this earth for should be spread like pollen in the wind. How nice phrases. If you truly love the people around you, you need to be educating them about Bitcoin. Every single time a negative event occurs, that is a direct result of the fiat standard that we live in. They must be reminded of this. Knowledge is power, and in a society with a crumbling monetary system, power is key to maintaining stability for your loved ones. So guys, this is what we are doing at CorionX. I am here every day spreading crypto adoption and also encouraging you to go to and talk to your family members, talk to your friends, and get them in Bitcoin and crypto. A major benefit of Bitcoin is an ability to show its merits through reward, thus encouraging those who own Bitcoin to become even more aware of these merits. Gathering knowledge through podcasts, articles, and videos like my videos and communication is central to many Bitcoiners' journeys in the space, but this knowledge shouldn't be had to oneself. Upon understanding Bitcoin, the responsibility to share, promote, and defend it must be ingrained within the Bitcoiner. Amidst the fires of confusion and chaos, we can be bastions of truth and direction. With purpose, retail investors can simply demonstrate the positive feedback loop of continued investment and growth in Bitcoin. Those interested in humanitarian benefits have a vast world of information to discover, and for the technology lovers, there are limitless possibilities of what could be built with. So this is how retail investors have the ability to drive us to a $1 million Bitcoin price, or the sooner through their efforts to show Bitcoin to others, or Bitcoin will simply show itself. So show Bitcoin to others, or Bitcoin will show itself, but it's more beneficial to you if you show to others, because then this love that will flowing back to you. So this is the major news for today, and also definitely smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and push the bell notification all to get all the relevant when we are uploading a video or starting a live. Let's go back to the chart and let's see what Bitcoin is doing. I think Bitcoin is just so that was also Bitcoin pumped up because this Litecoin news, and just came down and also fall lower than it was before. So interesting to see that how Bitcoin pumped to this Litecoin news. I think many people thought that also Bitcoin will be accepted by Walmart and now dumped. So that was a good trade if somebody would able to trade this. What about the Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance is now a little bit back, and it's just side waving around 40. And also because this news today, that was a huge movement in the Bitcoin dominance, but definitely it's coming down, and that was good for altcoins. So during the weekend, let's say we talked about Avalanche. Avalanche broke up from this bull flag, almost reached more than a half of our price target, but now came back down. We'll see if Avalanche can go higher from here. And what else do we see? Yeah, we see the Bitcoin shorts started to increase a little bit, not too much, but started to increase. Definitely started to increase, not too much, but started to increase. Yeah, so most of the altcoins are in red. A few of them are in green, but this is how this market is moving. FTX is also down, maybe retesting this zone. I think that it's a good opportunity to just stacking some sets here in good altcoins that you missed to buy in. Also, let's check what Solana is doing. Solana is down almost 157. So I think we can see some correction. So maybe this 145 can be the next target for Solana. So I like to go out and just purchase cheap tokens when the market is pumping with more than 5 or 10%. So this is how I think things are just working. And after the sun will shine tomorrow, and these altcoins will pump. So definitely we have a lot of things happening in the market, and I think this year from October to December and the end of the year will be huge for crypto and other Bitcoins, altcoins. So definitely really good to be in this industry. And also we are working on some CorionX developments. Definitely follow our farms. Now we are adjusting adjusting the rewards, so we'll post when we finalized this adjustment. So definitely you should take a look on our farm, but we will make an announcement when we have some updates there. So guys, smash the like, push the bell, notification all, and see you tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Thank you for following our channels, and also definitely join our Telegram group. You have some updates here. Also, definitely check out, there was a airdrop for DYDX users and GB Avalanche Bridge users. GB Avalanche Bridge users got 2,000 US dollar worth of tokens. Some DYDX users who used the platform in the past got 100,000 US dollar worth of tokens. And here you can read in our Telegram channel that was shared yesterday that which other platforms can come out with tokens and airdrops, like it was also with Uniswap. If you used Uniswap last year, you got 400 Uniswap. So Dharma, Zerion, Zapper, MetaMask, Matcha, Paraswap, Opin, Argent, DBank DeFi, and OpenSea. So these are the platforms that really there is a chance that they will launch a token and they will airdrop to their users. So definitely use these platforms. So guys, thank you for being here. Please share this video with your friends, invite them, and also don't forget that this will lead for 1 million Bitcoin prize if you are educating your friends and sharing this content with